You might be thinking, cool, we can do multiple languages. But in MLM business, this isn't a nice extra. It's one of those things that decides whether going global feels easy or feels like pain. Because the second you go into another country, language isn't preference anymore. It is the difference between momentum and confusion. If somebody can't understand the offer, they won't buy. If a new distributor can't understand what to do next, they won't start. And if your platform only speaks one language, your support team becomes the translation engine, and let's be honest, nobody wants that. But here's what really matters. A lot of platforms say they're multilingual, but what they mean is that you can translate a page, maybe a headline, maybe a few buttons. Then you click into the rest of the system and suddenly you're back in one language again. So the experience feels broken, if I can put it that way. What we've done with NetReady 3.0 is different. We've treated language like the foundation, not a patch, across modules, across interactions, across the whole journey. For the full video, click the link in the comments below or find it on our channel at MLM4CEOs.